Good morning, students. In today's maths class, we will learn the days of the week. One new topic. Today's topic is days of the week. Days of the week. You know, week is that's Monday, Tuesday. These are called week. Okay. Now we will learn the days of the week. So the days start from Monday. So Monday is the first day of the week. In your book it is given Sunday. No, Sunday not. It's Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now see this one: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how many days in a week? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. And first day is Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. You always remember this that Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week. So children, we have to learn the spellings also Monday to Sunday. Whenever you're counting the days, you will start counting from Monday. You will start counting from Monday. So, Monday is the first day. Monday is the first day. See here ordinal numbers came. This written number 1 and ST, it's become first. So it show the position of the week also. Which day recommend which position. And second is the Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day. Then Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day. See, I am writing the ordinal number. These numbers are called the ordinal number. These numbers are called the ordinal number. Remember, as I am showing the position of each day. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, which day come in which position? Monday is the first day or sixth day. Which the number which shows the position is called the ordinal number. So children, this number shows the position of each day of the week. Wednesday, then comes what? Thursday. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day. Then Friday. Friday, fifth day. Then which day? Seventh day. So children, see this. This is Monday. Monday is the first day. Tuesday is the second day. Wednesday is the third day. Thursday is the fourth day. Friday is the fifth day. Saturday is the sixth day. And Sunday is the seventh day. So how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. In a week, how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. You count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You see the position also shows. This, and I have written this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. These are called as ordinal numbers. What? These are called as ordinal numbers. The number which shows the position of a particular things or particular things is called as ordinal numbers. Understand? Ordinal numbers are those numbers which show the position of something is called as ordinal number. It is written over here 1. Beside 1 it is written ST. It becomes first. Here it is. So we will pronounce that first. We will not pronounce that 1 ST. No, it's wrong. You will pronounce that first, then 2ND. 2ND written, how will pronounce? Second, this one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. First is Monday. Whenever you're counting the weeks, you will count from the Monday, not from Sunday. Sunday is the last day of the week. So whenever you are counting the week, you will count from Monday. So Monday is the first day of a week. Tuesday is the second day. Wednesday is the third day. Thursday is the fourth day. Friday is the fifth day. Saturday is the sixth day. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. So, you have to learn the spellings of Monday to Sunday. Sunday is the last day of a week. Sunday is the last day. Sunday is the holiday. So we are not coming to school. We are at home only. Everybody at your home, your father, mother, is if they are working, they are also at home. So Sunday is the holiday and Sunday is the last day of the week. So you will learn the spelling also. Monday, M-O-N, month, T-A-Y, day. Then Tuesday, T-U-E-S, Tuesday, D-A-Y, day. Then Wednesday, W-E-D, wet. Wednesday, N-E-S-D-A-Y, day. Wednesday. Then Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Then Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. And then Saturday, S-A-T, Sat, U-R-R-D-A-Y, day, Saturday. Then comes Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. So children, Monday is the first day of a week, second day is Tuesday, third is the Wednesday, fourth is the Thursday, fifth is the Friday, Saturday is the sixth day and Sunday So there are 7 days in a week. First day is Monday and last day of a week is Sunday. Always remember this. Monday is the first day of the week. And listen one thing, in your book it is given Sunday is the first day. No, it is not. Monday is the first day of a week. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.